Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to multiply two matrices. And in this video I'm going to show you three things related to the multiplication of matrices. The first one is that without solving whether the multiplication of the two matrices is defined or not. The second is that if the multiplication of the two matrices is defined, what will be the order of their product. And the third one is the procedure for the multiplication. So let's go ahead and find out the multiplication of the two matrices. So we will write these two matrices as a matrix which contains the elements 2, 3, negative 1. Here the order of matrix A is 1 by 3 because there is one row and 3 columns. We can write the matrix B as B matrix equals to 6, 3, negative 2. Here the order of matrix B is 3 by 1 because there are 3 rows and 1 column. Order of matrix B is 3 by 1. AB equals to A cross B. Here the order of matrix A is 1 by 3 and the order of matrix B is 3 by 1. Right, their order is row by column. Right, the multiplication of the two matrices depend on the number of columns of the first matrix, which is 3, and the number of rows of the second matrix, which is also 3. If the number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, then the multiplication of the two matrices will be defined. To find out the order of the matrix AB, we will write it as AB. Here there is 1 and there is also 1, so the order of the matrix AB will be 1 by 1. These sidewise numbers represent the order of the matrix AB. Now we are going to multiply these two matrices. So here the multiplication of the two matrices is defined and the product of the matrix AB have an order of 1 by 1. Means it will contain only one element, right? Say 2, etc. So the matrix AB will contain only one element. Now we are going to multiply these two matrices. So AB equals to A matrix which contains the elements 2, 3, negative 1 and B matrix which contains the elements 6, 3, negative 2. Now multiply the first row with the first column. 2 times 6, 2 times 6 plus 3 times 3, 3 times 3 plus negative 1 times negative 2 plus negative 1 times negative 2. So we have 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 2 is 23. So this matrix contains 23. So matrix AB equals to, so the matrix AB is containing only one element which is 23. So this is matrix AB and the order of matrix AB is 1 by 1. Now we are going to find out the value of BA. So here BA equals to B cross A. The order of matrix B is 3 by 1 and the order of matrix A is 1 by 3. Right, so whether the multiplication of the two matrices is defined, yes, the multiplication of the two matrices is defined because the number of columns of the first matrix, which is 1, is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, which is also 1. So number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So the multiplication of the two matrices is defined. Now we're going to find out what will be the order of BA. So BA will have an order of 3 by 3. From these two numbers, we concluded that the order of the matrix BA will be 3 by 3. Now we are going to find out BA. BA equals to, matrix B contains the elements 6, 3, negative 2 times matrix A is containing the elements 2, 3, negative 1 equals to, now to find out BA, multiply the first row with the first column. So here 6 times 2. 6 times 2. Multiply the first row with the second column. 6 times 3. Multiply the first row with the third column. 6 times negative 1. Multiply the second row with the first column. So 3 times 2. Multiply the second row with the second column, so 3 times 3. Multiply the second row with the third column, so 3 times negative 1. Multiply the third row with the first column, so negative 2 times 2. Multiply the third row with the second column, so negative 2 times 3. Multiply the third row with the third column. So here, negative 2 times negative 1, which equals to 6 times 2 as 12, 6 times 3 as 18, 6 times negative 1 as negative 6, 3 times 2 as 6, 3 times 3 as 9, 3 times negative 1 as negative 3, negative 2 times 2 as negative 4, negative 2 times 3 as negative 6, negative 2 times negative 1 as positive 2. So this is the matrix BA, right? So this is the matrix BA, and matrix BA has an order of 3 by 3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So dear viewer, this was the video about the multiplication of matrices. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.